A very
Archana?
good afternoon to, yes, ma'am, I'm here. A very good afternoon to everyone present here on behalf of PSD College of Technology, the Department of EEE, and AICT Atal. I welcome all the participants to the valedictory function of the 5 days online FTP on vehicle electrification and smart grid, a path towards sustainable future. I'm on behalf of Dr. Ashok Kumar. I'm pleased to welcome uh, Dr. J. Kanagaraj, Professor and Head, Department of EEE, PSD College of Technology, to the valedictory function. Welcome, sir.
Yes,
I,
please. Thank you.
yes, sir. I now request Dr. R. Lata, Associate Professor, Department of EEE, to summarize the 5 days FDP. Lata, ma'am?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, sorry. Good afternoon to all. On behalf of the faculty development team, I take this opportunity to brief about our FDP on online 1 week faculty development program on vehicle electrification and smart grid, a path towards sustainable future. This 1 week faculty development program, in collaboration with AICT Training and Learning, was organized successfully with the participation of different places. The FDP addresses various aspects of advances in electric vehicle and smart grid technologies, promotes various advanced techniques and research challenges in these fields. This course was aimed for teachers from disciplines of electrical and mechanical background in colleges and universities. There were 200 participants registered for this program from different universities and colleges of all over India. After formal inaugural address in the first and second technical sessions of the first day of the program, Dr. L. Ashok Kumar, Professor, Department of EEE, PRG College of Technology, gave an overview of electric vehicle and smart grid concepts and various researchers going in PRG College of Technology. In the next section of the day, Ms. D. Geeta Lakshmi, Discipline Head Electrical, Tata Consulting Engineers Limited, Chennai, gave a talk on smart charging, which may help the participants to familiarize the advances in smart charging systems. In the second day of the program, our alumnus, Ms. Sandhya Sridhar, Computer Vision and Machine Learning Controls and Automated Systems, Ford Motor Company, California, delivered a talk on computer assistance in advanced driver assistance systems, and patiently she elaborates the new research areas in this emerging field. In the next session, Mr. Thiruvarul Ganeshan, Component Validation Engineer, Alstom Transport India Limited, Bangalore, spoke on advanced power electronics technology in battery charging systems. The deliberation focused on the recent work related to the topic. And in the last session of the second day, Mr. Balaji Kuriyakari Ashokan, Technical Lead, Ford Motor Company Limited, Chennai, demonstrated the tool for model-based design and development for advanced driver assistance systems, which is carried out in vehicle industries. All three of them are of our proud alumni. In the third day of our program, Mr. S. Senthil Kumar, Assistant Executive Engineer, Time Transco, Chennai, delivered a talk on power management in microgrid. In this deliberations, Mr. Senthil Kumar discussed in detail the power system configurations and how the management of power is happening in India. In the second session, Dr. Chitti Babu, Associate Professor, IIIT Kanchipuram, have explained the research carried out in vehicle and grid technology. Next, in the last session of the third day, Dr. R. Rupa Rani, visiting professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, PSG College of Technology, gave an excellent talk on dealing with the stress in the current times. This was the one non-technical event in our FDP. This is initiated by AICTE. In the fourth day of the program, 2 sessions were allotted for smart grid concepts, which are delivered by eminent speakers, Dr. J. Balamurugan, Assistant Executive Engineer, Tangetco, Chennai, and Mr. Selvakumar, Head Engineering and Design, Power Projects, Chennai. Participants might be excited to have a real experience of knowledge in technical details of the power systems. And the last session of the fourth day, that's EMC, electromagnetic compatibility and electromagnetic interferences in vehicles, electric vehicle, handled by the Dr. Ms. Uma Mageshwari, Technology Manager, Pramura Software Limited, Coimbatore. And on the fifth day, Dr. D. Madan Mogan, R&D Team Manager, Grid and Power Quality Solutions and Semiconductors, Hitachi ABB Power Grids, Chennai, demonstrated the flash charging technology for sustainable e-mobility and in an excellent way. Last session was handled by Mr. Saravanan, our alumni, Senior Technical Lead, Digital System Validations, Mercedes-Benz R&D Private Limited, Bangalore. He has handled the session on vision of the future mobility, mainly focused on autonomous vehicle. Of course, this faculty development program fulfills its prime objectives to bring the faculties of different engineering onto one platform to update with advances in electric vehicle and smart grid technology. Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you for all the participants.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request the guest of the evening, Dr. J. Kanagaraj, to say a few words.
Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
I hope this 5-day program was a very enlightening one. So I could see the topics were of current real interest, and I really congratulate Dr. L. Ashok and his team for pulling together the best industry minds. All are practicing engineers, all are senior engineers, so who have done hands-on in their respective fields. So you are exposed to the latest in the current industrial trend or industrial practice that is being practiced now. So I think this Atal FDP program has facilitated us to pool our knowledge, share our knowledge, and enrich our knowledge from all India level. So I see so many participants, and I heard that the participants from all India are participating here. It is truly a different and unique experience where so many participants can be gathered or digitally converged to a single source or a single event. It is a path-breaking event. I think you will take home many interesting concepts, many interesting technologies that has been put forth by the industry experts. This, I think, will ensure potential researchers to open up new ideas, or current researchers or current PhD holders to work more in the area of vehicle electrification or microgrid or other things. So I could see here that the Government Power Transmission Corporation of Tamil Nadu, several of senior engineers have come to give their presentation here. It is very much thrilling to see that senior engineers of a practicing power company, the power distribution company and the power transmission company of Tamil Nadu, both are government owned, and senior engineers coming and presenting their work to the audience, which are truly pan-India. So it's very heartening to note that so much of knowledge has been spread throughout the country, and so much of people have been enriched by this sharing of the knowledge. So I wish all the best for the participants, and I congratulate the organizers for a successful conduct of this 5-day program. So actually, originally this was supposed to be a 5-day college program, or a physically present program where 30 participants were there. And because I think one of the positive sides of the lockdown is that more number of participants were allowed, and a large group of people could be benefited from the knowledge shared by the industry leaders or industry experts at the same time. So with these words, I wish the organizers all the best, and also wish the participants who had converged here for the past 5 days. So all the best, Ashok.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request a few participants to give your valuable feedback. You can please unmute yourselves and give us a feedback. It is in further courses.
Hello, good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ma'am, it's me, Dr. Albert from Kumbu Engineering College.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, actually, I attended this program for all the 5 days. I never missed any of the sessions. So this FDP was very helpful to me. So I usually attend all the programs which was conducted by Dr. Ashok Kumar sir. So this was my usual practice. So even when I was registered for my PhD, I started to attend all the workshops conducted by Ashok Kumar sir. So the way how he conducts from the beginning, the same way this virtual workshop also been done. I sincerely thank Archana madam, Lada ma'am for the excellent organization. So this workshop has given a thought-provoking some ideas from industry perspective and also from the academic perspective, how far we can travel in this particular smart systems. So it was very much helpful I hope it was helpful to all the participants, and the coordination and the organization of the workshop was really excellent. So we have never faced any flaws, and even the test conduction was very nice. And usually Ashok Kumar sir workshop will be quite strict, so that is no compromise will be made for the quality. So the same quality being maintained for this Atal workshop also. I sincerely thank PSG Tech and all the organizers for conducting this excellent workshop. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. This is R.B. Selva Kumar from Dr. NGP Institute of Technology, Assistant Professor, Triple Department. And thank you for the wonderful opportunity provided to me for attending this workshop. Really, all the sessions are highly motivated and inspired towards the modern technologies and trends in what the area is taken. And thank you so much for providing such a wonderful opportunity. It's a mind-blowing sessions which triggered the young minds towards the recent trends in electric vehicles and all other recent trends. Thank you so much for organizing such a wonderful workshop. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
Shall I speak, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Thank you. Thank you. First of all, sincere appreciation and gratitude for the organizers, Dr. L. Ashok Kumar sir, Archana ma'am, and Lada ma'am, to so meticulously arrange the program. So each and every doubt has been clarified in this session. So that's the main important the factor what we have seen. Then a excellent resource person selection, madam, because we have in all the age groups as well as senior accommodations and senior industrial people, and your even the younger generations, those who are working in the electric car sector or whatever it may be. So it's a wonderful session. So Hope to have another session like this in future, ma'am. Thanks for the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So participants from outside Tamil Nadu, north, south, please give your opinions.
So good afternoon, everyone. This is Prakash. I am a research scholar in Thales University, Malaysia. Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please
Yeah.
proceed.
Yeah, thank you. So I'm basically born up in Tamil Nadu, brought up in Chennai, but right now I'm doing my research in Thales University, Malaysia. And presently my area of working is on electric vehicles in a power system, the impacts of electric vehicles in a power system. So we are quite engaged with the resource persons from ABB and then POSACO. We continuously used to have a contact with them, regular contact with them for various analysis. And I can see that few of my friends are the resource persons in this FDP. Further, I can say that PSG alumnus is also one of my lab mate who's working with me in charging station right now. He is Mr. Gautam Raj from PSG Tech. Yeah. And apart from that, the FDP is overall well organized and well conducted. And also, first I thank the organizers for their complete patience and then the eagerness to serve the participant in all manner, in all the way as possible. Because quite organizers from abroad universities, like generally we won't reply in between the sessions. We will always contact the participant only after the session. But this I found quite amazing. And also like the sessions, whatever the resource persons handle. Example, Dr. Chittibabu from IIIT and Dr. Selva and Dr. Madan Mohan. And okay, these are all already known person to me, but it was quite a eye-opening sessions in few of the topics. And I congratulate the organization and also thank all the participants to be here actively present during all the sessions. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Kamesh.
Thank you, sir. I now invite Dr. L. Ashok Kumar, Professor and Associate Head, Department of EEE, and the coordinator of the FDP to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening, all. First of all, I thought in my list, I thought of thanking the participants at the end. And because of the feedback given by them, I wanted to push them to the first. Thanks, my bunch, for the positive feedback from your people, because this feedback makes us to work further. And this is the culture we follow at PSG College of Technology. Actually, we have got it from our ancestors. We can say that, and from our senior faculty members like our HOD. In that way, we used to conduct all the kinds of workshops, seminars, whatever it may be. It may be for a day or for a week or for a conference or for an international conference. Fine. And first of all, I would like to thank AICT Atal. It was a very, very long day program, long months program for AICT. Almost 470 plus programs have been organized, are going to be organized in this year. And the earlier it was started for a different aim, like as our HOD mentioned clearly in his speech, it was started for a person-to-person meeting, and that would be for a week. And later on, it was diluted for virtual meeting, and the fund has been dispersed for many people, many organizations, etc. Thanks to Corona, because of that, this much participants would be able to attend this program. For example, even a person from Malaysia has attended this. Gautam Raj is my student, and I'm glad to hear from you that you are working along with him. And thanks for your valuable feedback as well. And also, I would like to thank the PSG Tech management for providing us all the facility while uploading this program for the proposal. And I would also like to thank our HOD for allowing us to organize this kind of an event, because our department is having many number of faculty members, and he has kind enough to allow us to organize this event, especially in the specific topic of smart grid electric vehicle. At this point, I would like to stress few points about our department facility. In our department, we have many centers of excellence and facilities related to electric vehicle and smart grid. After this pandemic, if you have any interest on any of the topic, you please visit our college and make use of the facilities over here. Apart from that, you can also view the website so that you can check the facilities available in our college. And next, I would like to thank all the speakers, because you can see, you could have seen, except me, all the participants for this FDP are all from different industry, and one more faculty from IITDM. And they are very kind enough that they have spent their valuable time here, even though remuneration doesn't matter for them, but they have spent their valuable time and shared their knowledge. And we are, as an organizer, we are sorry that we couldn't share some of the PPTs presented by those speakers. And finally, not finally, again, these two people should be at the forefront. But again, I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart Dr. R. Lata and Dr. N. Archana for organizing this entire event, because organizing this much participant, this much population is not easy. It is easy for the organizer to organize an event for the students community, because we can even scold them. But you would have seen the messages what they have posted in the WhatsApp group. It is very tough to handle. I cannot say it's tough, because it is very tough to handle the peer group members. I think you can understand these things. But even though these things are there, because all these, these two faculty are married and they have kids too. Apart from that, they have to take online classes, etc. And apart from that, they have to manage the speakers, manage the participants, etc. They did it very well. And again, I thank wholeheartedly Dr. R. Archana and Dr. N. Archana and Dr. R. Lata ma'am for coordinating these events. And again, finally, I would like to thank all the participants who have presented here. And at times we were stressing you for attendance, feedback, links, etc. I know your busy schedule, because everyone are in the same boat, right? We have to take classes, we have to manage our family, and many more better things are there apart from this FDP also. But we have to submit certain documents which has to be required for ACT. So at times we were a little tough in using the words. So kindly apologize for those things. And some of them have asked for certificates, etc. Again, after completing the FDP, we will be on time. You would have seen in the organizing this event itself, we will be on time. So as soon as the program is getting over, we will be submitting the marks, the attendance, everything online to AICTE. We don't have any control over it. AICTE will give you the certificates directly to the participants. So if you have any doubts, you can ask us. And apart from that, we have created a WhatsApp group. If you have any doubts technically, if you want any doubts to be cleared related to this electrical vehicle and smart grid, we are very happy to help you further. So with this point, with this note, again, I would like to thank all the participants, speakers, everyone over here for spending your valuable time, and hope you have enjoyed all this 5 days of event. And thanks for your valuable participation here. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you all the participants. Thank you, HOD sir, for being available for us for this valedictory function. Thank you all. So we'll meet you all next time in a different kind of course. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Special congratulations to Dr. R. Lata and Dr. Archana for a good organization, and this
thank you, sir.
This reflects from the feedback from the participants.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
To both of you. Keep up the spirit.
Thank you very much, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you.